Hi everyone, this is Napa Valley Mommy and welcome to the Easy Yogurt Popsicle video. In this video, we're going to show you how to make easy yogurt pops with just one ingredient. What I love about these pops is that they're really simple to make. All you need is one little jar of Chobani yogurt. You'll need a silicone popsicle mold, which you can find easily on Amazon, and popsicle sticks. I typically get my yogurt at the grocery store and it generally costs about $1 per little serving. And when you open it up, I like to get the one that's mixed berries because it already has the fruit flavor in it. And for this type, the fruit is on the bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it thoroughly. We use the Chobani Greek yogurt because it's rich in probiotics and it's healthy for your gut health. But you could use basically any type of yogurt that you find at the grocery store. Alright, so now that it's all mixed up, as you can see here, I like to spoon in a little bit of the yogurt in each popsicle mold. With one serving of the yogurt, we typically get about 4 mini popsicles, which is really nice because each popsicle is small and bite-sized and we could easily finish one in one serving. I like putting yogurt instead of ice cream because it's a healthy alternative and it has live probiotics, which is good for digestion. Also, I love the calcium content and the amount of protein that the Greek yogurt has. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the last drops of the Greek yogurt into our popsicle mold. I like to use as much of it as possible. And then we're going to move on to put in the popsicle sticks. So there's little inserts here for the popsicle sticks. And I like to put them downwards so that they can be covered with the yogurt. So in they go. And after this, I'll go ahead and bang them a little bit to kind of even out the top. And I'll show you what it looks like. Here they are. It looks great. Aren't they cute? So the next thing that we need to do is freeze them. And I like to put our popsicles in a plastic Ziploc bag to protect them from freezer burn, and then place them on a flat surface like this little container here. I'll pop it in the freezer overnight or for about 5 hours. And the end product looks just like this. And here we have 4 perfect popsicle sticks. They look so fun size, easy to eat, and really delicious and healthy. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you liked what you learned or what you saw, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd love to see you next time. Take care and have a great day.